Some dreams grow louder every year. We spend our lives reaching for the sky, wondering how and wondering why. But every step both high and low leaves a little light along the road. The years move fast, the seasons change, but wonder always finds a way. Oh, we're running through the beautiful unknown, following the light wherever it may go. Every turn, every scar, every mile we've ever known makes us who we are in the beautiful unknown. And the world keeps turning wild and slow, painting every sunset gold. We're just passing through, but we're never alone in the beautiful unknown. I've seen the rain wash plans away and watch new beginnings rise from yesterday. Every ending leaves a door unlocked. Every loss teaches what can't be bought. The mountains stand, the rivers run, the moon still dances with the sun. And somehow through the highs and lows, life keeps giving us reasons to grow. The map is drawn with twists and turns, but every road is ours to learn. Oh, we're running through the beautiful unknown, following the light wherever it may go. Every turn, every scar, every mile we've ever known makes us who we are in the beautiful unknown. And the world keeps turning wild and slow, painting every sunset gold. We're just passing through, but we're never alone in the beautiful unknown. Maybe the magic isn't at the end, maybe it's hidden in the climb. In every laugh, every chance we take, every ordinary moment in time. The stars don't know where they're going either, yet they still shine through the night. So we'll keep moving, keep believing toward whatever waits beyond the light. We're running through the beautiful unknown, with open hearts and minds of our own. Oh, every dream we've chased, every seed we've ever sown becomes a part of us in the beautiful unknown. And when the years have come and gone, we'll look back and sing this song for all the days that made us who we've become in the beautiful unknown. Beautiful unknown. Wherever we may go, the road goes on, the story's still being told in the beautiful